Here is how you do transformer calculation. So this is an app that will allow you to calculate. So if you are given 400 volts, as you can see from here, and then the ratio between the primary and the secondary winding, and then you're going to be given the load, depend what size of the load is. And then this is the meaning of the symbol that we're going to use. So what you do on the delta configuration, this is the delta configuration connection. So you have a primary voltage and a line and a phase primary voltages. So you have to calculate both. What you do, the line one is given is 400, and then VL equals to VPP, means that it's a delta connection. The voltage, line voltage is equal to the phase voltage. The reason is delta. And then just take the 400 as it is. And then you're going to do the secondary winding. So for the secondary winding, we have to use the ratio and the voltage to get the other phase and the phase secondary voltage. So for the phase secondary voltage, we use this, and then this is the equation of the phase secondary. Just make Vp as the subject of the formula and then divide by the ratio, and then this is the voltage of the secondary phase, and then you do Vp, reason is delta, the line voltage is equal to the phase voltage on the secondary because it's delta. So VLS, so you take as it is and put it here, and then you're going to do the line and the phase voltage of the load. So the load is the one that is here, and then we are going to use this voltage because we just directly supplying from the output of the line secondary, and then it's equal. So the voltage is this one, and then we are looking for V line load and phase load. So V phase load is equal to V line load because it's delta. So just take the value and put it there. Then V phase load, then this is what is given for the current, and then the load is R, represented the resistor or the load, which is 400 ohms, and the line voltage which is given. You have this one, and then you, because it's a delta connection, so on delta multiply by root 3 or 1,73, then you get this one. Then you go on the secondary is direct supply from the load, so you just take it directly and then put it here. Then it's like this, reason is delta, then multiply by 173, and then make I, then you go to phase line primary current, then use the ratio because you're looking for the primary current from the secondary side, then make the subject of the formula. then this is the phase. Now we are looking for the line voltage on the primary. So we're using this because it's delta, and then this is the answer. So this is how you would do them. Transformer calculation.